So hey there guys, and in this one we're going to be creating a Django project and installing Django and all that stuff. So now first of all, I want you to go to command prompt. So I'm just going to type in cmd, and inside here I want you to be very comfortable with the command prompt window because we are going to be doing a lot of things here. Don't look at it as something tedious. Just do it and you get familiar with it at some point. So now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install the Django framework. So all we do is just say pip install the Django. So that's all you need to do to install. So mine is probably already installed and it's going to show, yeah, requirement already satisfied. So yours should run and hopefully there will be no errors. The next thing is I want to go to the folder where I want to create my Django project, and over here you can see this PC desktop Python. That's the folder I want to use. So in here, I'm just going to replace all this with cmd. If I press enter, it's going to open a command prompt window in that folder directory. But if you don't want to do it that way and you have another command prompt, what you can do is you can do cd, which means change directory, and I can do cd desktop. And if you press tab there, it's just auto correct it. As you can see, it was a small d. So I'm going to put a backslash and do Python, press tab again, and if I hit enter, you see we are in that directory. Most of the time we're going to be doing a lot of things in the command prompts. Oh well. So to create a Django project, all we need to do is just say django-admin start project, and here we're going to pass in the name of the project. So mine is called my website because that's the website, I guess. If I hit enter now, I'm going to see I'm just going to wait for it. Okay, it should be done. And as you can see, we have a new folder here called my website. So if I open this, you're going to see another folder called my website and a manage.py file. So I'm going to be going over what exactly this thing is doing in the next tutorial. So stay tuned and I'll see you there.